Oh, we got sound here. I see that. Oh, yeah. See it over here on the right. I see where it's perking along with sound. Nothing like keeping up with your settings on your computer to keep things all pretty and going rather than we just cussing out YouTube. Y'all recognize this old gal? Cher. She's been kind of quiet lately. Even on the political scene, we haven't heard much out of Cher. That's good. That's good. Wish Roseanne would shut the hell up. That would be so nice, you know. Roseanne Barr, shut up and just go on away. That cow ain't gonna do nothing. She's not capable anyway. Just run her mouth, yeah. Bunch of liberal ass, fat, ugly bitches. You notice how most of the liberal bitches are kind of bore ass ugly. While on the conservative side, they're a little bit dressier and classy and normal. Well, that's just my take on it. I guess you got yours, whatever. And you probably agree with me anyway. Most people do. Yes, most most people do. Not all people though. Anyway, just doing a sound check here on YouTube. Checked it out on Facebook. We're rolling good, which really doesn't matter one way or another because this is not any life-saving device here, nor does the world come to an end if I don't make a video, nor will anything bad or good happen from this. Whatever. What I'm trying to say is it just ain't that important, folks. But anyway, I got a little tape recorder going over here, just trying to see what's on it from years past. Yes, nothing like going down memory lane. Just as long as you don't bust your ass. I have busted my ass on memory lane several times. Try not to though. Anyway, it's no fun busting your ass anywhere. Although I've done it, most likely you have too. Just depends. This machine sounds like it's trying to fart, but machines don't do that. Anyway, we'll see what's going on. We'll do a fast forward here, see if anything comes up on this thing. I'd be highly disappointed if it didn't. Anyway, I drove all night. That must be uh, Celine Dion. Yeah, that's who that is. That's Celine. Anyway, be nice to get a few comments here, good or bad. I notice a lot of people get some comments that are much less crazy than I am, and people just tear them up. I guess I just haven't reached the vast masses out there. Maybe I should do some advertising, or as we call it, promotions. Anyway, y'all have a wonderful week. Starts today. Actually, Sunday is the first day of the week, but a lot of people think it's Monday. I don't really know. I don't really care. But anyway, I gotta get the hell out of here. It's gonna take forever for this thing to upload, so I'll just stop it right now. Nice talking at you.